Okay, this is for absolute beginners in After Effects. This question I've seen quite a few times in WhatsApp groups, the Facebook groups, that when they are hitting the space bar to play the movie,
Peter Parker.
the movie is
Hey, Peter
choppy
Parker.
or it doesn't play beyond the green area. To add effects. So one thing you can do is you can go to edit, purge, and you can purge all memory and disk cache. Okay, you can see in my case it is 43 GB. Okay, so if you delete all this, your software will have will become a little bit faster because it will delete all the unnecessary files that are there.
Peter Parker. Hey, Peter Parker.
Okay, the other thing you can do to speed up your work is the resolution here. You can go to half or third. This is only the display resolution. It's not going to reduce the final output because you can always, no matter what it is and you render, it's only going to show you here how it is, not going to render the same way. Okay, so you can use this to speed up your work also when you're looking at certain things. Things are much faster at lower resolution. Okay. The third thing you can do is this slider. You can select smaller work areas, so you can work in like a small area, and then when you hit the space bar, it's going to only render that one. It will become green.
Don't worry.
And then it's going to play again.
Don't worry.
I don't know how you're gonna get us through all sound.
Don't worry.
So once that area is done, you can move on to the second area and so on. So if you are challenged with lesser space in memory or your display card is not good, you have to work around with these 2-3 options. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.